Ian here, reporting on Yorkshire Roofing of Northern California Incorporated, doing business as Roofmax, a diamond certified roofing contractor serving residential and commercial clients in Contra Costa and Alameda counties. Our diamond certified research shows that owner Kenny Falcone and his team work on all types of roofing systems, from composition shingles to stone-coated steel, and they're also qualified to install insulation, gutters, skylights, solar systems, and more. Established in 1987, Roofmax has built its reputation on consistent service and a strong focus on workmanship. The company maintains a stable team with many long-tenured employees, which helps ensure consistent results on every job. Roofmax is known for taking a detail-oriented approach to each roofing project, from proper flashing installation to precise workmanship around vulnerable areas like chimneys and pipe penetrations. The company focuses on the specifics that help roofs perform properly over time. Roofmax also prioritizes professionalism on the job site. Its crew members are experienced and committed to keeping work areas clean throughout each project, which helps ensure a positive experience for clients. That's our report on Roofmax, where, as Mr. Falcone says, they combine proper safety techniques and industry-best installation procedures to ensure every customer receives the best possible roof. I'm Ian Leary, reporting for Diamond Certified Resource.